Hello Huckleberries and Huckle-Babes, and welcome to a little adventure vlog. Actually, not really a little vlog. This is gonna be a big vlog. As you can see, I'm packed, ready to go. I've got way too much stuff on me, but you might be asking, Holly, what are you doing? Where are you going? Why do you have so much stuff? Truth be told, I'm not going anywhere. I'm taking the bus to the airport, but I'm not flying anywhere. I'm actually picking up my sister, or meeting my sister. She's flying in right now, and we're going to be spending the next 5 days together. And I wanted to take you guys along with us, not only because I haven't vlogged in a very long time, but also because I want to share these memories with the kids. My sister has 3 adorable little children. Hello Theo, hello TJ, hello little Rosie. I miss them dearly, and they're a little bummed that they can't, come to Hawaii with mom. So I just wanted to make this video so they can see everything that we've been up to. I'm gonna grab a Sprite or a coconut water or something. It's really hot. I've got a very long bus ride ahead of me. So I'm gonna go to a gas station, get that, take the bus, go to the airport. I'm tired. Look at all this stuff. Am I moving? Where am I going? Okay. Gosh, that's a pretty bird. Yay! Oh, cute. I bought you a lei. Aloha. Oh, it's real. Are you serious? Yay! Hi. 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 Yay! Oh, my mouth's red. I just had a Powerade. Okay, so we both
look fine.
We both don't really.
I'm all red. My cheeks are.
We both don't feel very good, but the only reason. So we're gonna just take a breather. I probably won't vlog a lot today. This is my sister. You guys know her. I don't know. Maybe not.
Aloha.
Aloha. I got her a lei. Yay.
I've never had one of these before.
Me neither. My birthday present to you. I got us.
Oh no. What?
This is our first surprise. I got us a tiny house on the North Shore.
Oh my gosh. You're kidding.
So we're gonna go up to the
night
for 2 nights.
Tonight?
Yeah, so that's where we're gonna go.
Oh my god.
So we're gonna go spend 2 nights on the North Shore, and
wow, that's cool.
And it's a gorgeous tiny house, and I'm dying to go, so we have to go.
Oh, that's so exciting.
But let's go eat first.
Yeah, I'm so hungry.
Hi. Wow, okay. I feel like take 2. Vlog take 2. I couldn't really film all of this because as it was happening, it was just a little chaotic. But we arrived at the tiny house. I opened the gate and 2 dogs just bolted out the door. So that was a little stressful. There was some chasing involved. I drove around a little bit and tried to get the dogs in the car, and very interesting. Eventually I got a hold of the owners, and apparently it's just a normal, fun little game for them to, romp around the neighborhood every now and then. Which is not unheard of out here, especially because we are on the North Shore where it's a little more rural, so it's whatever. And then we checked out the tiny house, and unfortunately, there was just rat poop kind of everywhere, even on the bed, which that's pretty nasty. And it just kind of was a stinky house. My sister has allergies too, so we decided to leave. We went to this adorable coffee shop, and basically I was on the phone with Airbnb forever. Eventually got a refund, and they were pretty cool about it. So in general, the experience was good. Airbnb took care of us. But here we are at our new spot. It all worked out, but yesterday we didn't do anything fun. So I'm envisioning beach, sun, chill. That's what I've got on the itinerary. So this is out our little front door. You'll have to pardon all of my things. They're all out right now. That's just kind of how I am, but really big open living space. Got my camera set up. We're gonna be filming a little something here in a sec. That won't be in this video, but you'll see it eventually. Yeah, I'm messy. Okay, walking in, nice big kitchen, really comfy couch. I was watching HGTV all night. That was really fun. I love TV. Such a luxury for me. And then there's the bedroom. So I gave my sis the big bed. Just because this is her little birthday trip, so she's the queen. I slept on the bottom bunk. This is it. Oh, she's in the bathroom right now. Jess is showering right now, so when she comes out, I'll show you guys the bathroom. So cute. Little his and hers, or hers and hers right now. Love this shower, it's really nice. Little seat, so cute. Okay, so we are heading out. We're going to breakfast. Say hi.
Morning.
Happy day official 1. Check the, oh wow, look at that. Look at that ridge up there. So pretty. Oh, so pretty. Merry Christmas. It says Merry Christmas. There's goats. Wait, are those sheep? They're sheep. But they're cute. Look at them. Oh, there's goats too.
Oh,
perfect.
Right there.
Great. Hello, babies. I'm so rusty at vlogging, I forgot to vlog our meal. It was good.
Oh, that's good.
Look at this. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. We are right on the water. This is so cool. Oh my gosh. This is so gorgeous. Look at that, a fire pit. Whoa, look at all the crabs. Say hi to the video.
I said, son, you licked my foot.
Oh, he licked your foot. Cute.
The sun has shown up. We are gonna go to the beach and go for a little dip.
Yay.
A dip, 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 dip.
I'm gonna get my suit on.
Squid it, dip, dip, dip. Okay.
Hopefully the sun comes out a little bit because it's a little cloudy, but that's okay.
Yeah, we're gonna give it a try. We'll see.
Oh, that's so pretty.
That's right, the lady is a tramp.
Oh, I see mist.
Oh, it's raining.
It's raining.
I mean, don't worry, it only rains for like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I mean, we'll see. Bummer.
Okay.
Hello.
Ready?
Hello, little teenagers.
What lives in there?
I don't know.
Scary.
So pretty. Not the best beach weather. It's kind of raining, but like, holy moly, is it pretty here. I went swimming out there. I was the only one in the water there for a second, which was kind of a luxury out here on Oahu, where the beaches are a bit more populated.
Look at her. I don't know if I want to go in. Hello, sister.
After a few hours of just relaxing at the house, we drove up to Turtle Bay. Sorry, we drove up to Turtle Bay for some happy hour, and we're gonna watch the sunset. So we're trying to get our food in before the sun sets. It's pizza time. Pizza. I'm just having a cup of coffee at our magical Airbnb we check out today. We will be driving towards Honolulu now. On our way to the city, we will be, making some stops along the way today and seeing some cool stuff. My hair is not cute. What is happening? Ho'omaluhia. Okay, we're at the Ho'omaluhia Botanical Garden. We just got here. Not really sure what to expect other than a lot of really gorgeous plants. So we're gonna do that for a sec. First stop of the day. Our next stop, going hiking, Maunawili Falls. So excited. I've heard very good things about this. Oh. I hear a river. I'm gonna put my phone down for a sec. This is getting a little sketch. You got this. I believe in you.
It feels really good.
It does. Here, you can hand me that if you want.
There's humans.
And they're on the right side.
They're over here.
Yes.
I feel epic.
You are epic. And there's the sun. Hello, sun.
Oh yeah.
Look behind you.
Okay, hold on. Woo! Dang.
It's so pretty.
That's a good view.
It's a good view.
I think we're still so far down.
Yes, we are.
These mountains are so high.
Yeah.
Time for a shoe change. We're crossing river number 2.
Well, it's the same river.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll make eggs. Good morning. It's our last full day with my sis. We are chilling at my house. I've actually never shown you guys my new house, but this is our like kitchen, living room. It's super cute. I love it here. But we're just helping ourselves to so many beverages. I made us smoothies, coffee, mimosas, and then my roommate is making kombucha, so he wanted us to try some, and it's quite good. So lots of beverages happening right now. So we've got a good day ahead of us. There's Jess at the beach. I took her to one of my favorite kind of like secluded areas, but I nailed my knee and I'm bleeding. So I got myself kind of good there. Took Jess to South Shore Grill, my favorite place for fish tacos. For some fish tacos. And mac salad for me. So good. After tacos, I fell right asleep. I needed a nap. I was very sleepy. But I'm finally showing Jess around Waikiki and Honolulu. We're gonna go look at some of the beautiful hotels in the area, maybe get some ice cream or dinner, or watch the sunset. Yeah, it's like super humid though. Where I used to live. I lived like right there, up the mountain. Good morning and welcome to the final day of my sister's little Hawaiian vacation. We just got coffee at one of my favorite coffee shops and came to Pearl Harbor. I've been here before, but I didn't get to go on any of the tours. We got here bright and early, got tickets to the USS Arizona. So I'm dropping off my sister at the airport right now. We had a great time at Pearl Harbor, learned a lot. It was really cool. I'm really glad we went. And then we went and got breakfast, and now it's time to send her off on the flight home. Yep. My favorite. What was your highlight?
The highlight? Probably the waterfall hike.
Me too.
That was really amazing.
And the lanai at our Airbnb.
Yeah, that was also really amazing.
Yeah, that was cool.
Yeah.
Sorry, I should stop chewing.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I know this video was probably really sloppy and I'm sorry, but I just wanted to share our little adventure with you guys. I'm really happy that Nick, my brother-in-law, sent Jess out for her birthday present to come stay with me, and I got to show one of my relatives what life is like out here. Woohoo! I will see you guys again soon.
Aloha.
Okay.
Ooh, we're gonna take a walk outside today. We're gonna see what we can find today. We're gonna take a walk outside today. We're gonna see what we can find today. The sun comes up with a curious cat and a pug-nosed pup. So much to do, so much to see. It's fun to see. I don't know. Baby shark.
Okay.
Baby shark. No!